keren somen enan keren arpi tak saja tapi cawa hapjo ya pi Shojing itsin Nyngkong ngasyu nakana Shojing itsin Nyngkong ngalamat mentah Dono jong akadon haka vibration Jabing jong akadon haka slow motion
Like my heart, my soul.
Mensim jong ada JINGKMEN kaya itin ya Phiba JINGKMEN ngan ya Jied ngan balut di pular ngan penjam lut di jing EIBANROY ki bangadon Maphi ngan ya the kam atas pareng kam atas korean ya pi ngan ya bed pi biang baro ki liang kasur betiang kaduru bebiang mensim barang ba tang Maphi balai jing kusla jong abat penjam. Check it out.
Yo guys, welcome back everyone. Meghalaya Shillong. Yes, today we are back again and welcome guys. Just tell them, let them get to know you.
Hello guys, I'm Subi and I'm from Nepal.
Hello, I'm Nyngkong from Zimbabwe.
Yeah, and this is Gabi from South Sudan. So you're watching global faces, okay? International faces reacting to Meghalaya, that is India, Shillong, guys. So make sure to support this channel, subscribe, join the African family, guys. Today we invited her and him, and so we are going to see the Khasi talent, the music, and yeah, so curious to know much. So today video is
Phiba Maphi.
Maphi. So tell us, what does it mean, guys? And
Phi means you.
Maphi. Nothing much. Just tell us the meaning and let's go. Let's do it, guys. Subscribe, put on the bell so that you watch new faces next time. Yes. Actually, this guy last time I saw him in one video. Yeah, that video it was like the JINGKMEN. It's a very good actor, this guy. It's very good actor. Yeah. In so many videos. I don't think he's the singer, but
Password folder jonga Pidai Maphi awal paper jonga Slideshow hajing perkat Day kader jong pi Sawahatin dong skor Day kasur jong pi Ya keren somen enan keren arpi Tak saja tapi cawa hapjo ya pi Shojing itsin Nyngkong ngasyu nakana Shojing itsin Nyngkong ngalamat mentah Dono jong akadon haka vibration Jabing jong akadon haka slow motion.
like my heart, my soul.
Mensim jong ada JINGKMEN kaya itin ya Phiba JINGKMEN ngan ya Jied ngan balut di pular ngan penjam lut di jing EIBANROY ki bangadon Maphi ngan ya the kam atas pareng kam atas korean ya pi ngan ya bed pi biang baro ki liang kasur betiang kaduru bebiang mensim barang ba tang Maphi balai jing kusla jong abat penjam. Check it out.
Just wait, guys. I want to say somewhat. All this one, okay? You can also listen to them. Like this guy, the JINGKMEN. I don't know if his real name is like the JINGKMEN, but yeah, there is one famous video. I reacted to it previously. It was by the title JINGKMEN. Only him. He was featured with one lady, and I just love the way he act. Like he's a good actor. You can see even from this one. You can see like he has that talent of being comedian and being even the expression. The expression is so good. I just like the way he's expressing. Yeah. Let's just see more and you will know.
Pidai Maphi bakar siu tia yanga
The videos is so nice.
Pidai Maphi bakan oi tia yanga Pidai Maphi password folder jonga Pidai Maphi awal paper jonga Jinglong badur baksur ngamap jingguna Jinglong badur baksur ngayap mat shisha Haba pishannya siêu thia yang nga Phi đây mà Phiba gần oi thia yang nga Phi đây mà Phi password folder jong nga Phi đây mà Phi hawal paper jong nga Ngam qua sa way bait ba kidang ne kai ba pi hok yang nga kum ba pi larai Wat ngom ha Instagram ni hadur FB Kiba wan text balan blog lekat yaki
Yeah, it's fine.
Namar jing ijanai hapi ngalaan Namar kani kadau roy kani jing roy
Even me, the first time
Penat
I watched him, I
nadu
told him
kadok nu Ngan roy ngan yai kan ud Wat hasai dan mu Tangka kol jong Phiba peng snam Hakimit baken ja Bat pingam le rany Ngan le kan lu ngan le kan na Bat pingas ngau khany Bat pingas ngau shngan Bat pingas ngau tngen Bat pingas ngau kmen Ha Yaman sim jong api pen Habai kadu jong pi ngape hajan bat nga zoom Nga jelos lo dapat ki way PLS on Kum ta kong bodyguard hajan jong pi ngakwa dan
Now they go this time.
I
Day ma pi Bakar siêu thia yang nga Phi đây mà Phiba gần oi thia yang nga Phi đây
See
mà
the singer, guys. Just tell us who's the
password
singer.
folder jong nga Phi đây mà Phi hawal paper jong nga
That guy, the Jingmen. The Jingmen.
It's
Okay.
actors.
Why? Wait. Let's see who is the singer. They wrote it here, right? Because that guy who was the actor also, he was just the way he is acting. You will think he's a singer also. Composed by
Joseph Songmin.
Stong, directed by Dominic. Cameraman Evan and Dominic. Editing Evan. The eyes. So actor.
Yes.
DS.
Evan and
Actor is
Dominic.
Kebor.
Then
Ivanish Tongai.
Evanisa
So
Songmin.
the problem, I don't know them. Like I don't know like those guys, the two who were dancing. We can't identify their name here, right? Because we don't know them in real. We don't know their name. Yeah, because this song is by Joseph,
Here
right?
is their new name. Billboard.
Gilbert Tongpi Feed. But song is composed by Josephus. I think he's the singer only. Yeah. And Gilbert and Tongpi, those are the featured people in the music video. Just
No,
tell-
actors.
Huh?
There's actors.
They are the actors, yes.
Actors.
Huh? Forget of actors. We know actors are there. Those girls who are dancing. They are not. This is not a big problem.
No, that's the dance crew for the
Yeah,
girls.
dance crew is not important. I don't want to know much about them. I just want to know much about this guy who was the guy who was taking the main role. Is he the singer or not? This is the one thing. And because I don't recognize his name up to now. Only the previous video I said the Jingmen. This is how I can say his name, the Jingmen. I can tell he's the Jingmen. But
He was moving his lips also.
yeah, the remaining, yeah. But he's so the Jingmen. We can call him now the Jingmen. The Jingmen. This guy who was acting.
So much love.
Yeah, Jingmen is so good, guys. The Jingmen is so good in acting. I don't know if he can sing also. Then this guy is then in another level. If he can sing and can act like this way, I don't know if he's good in dancing also. Then he will be like perfect, man. He can just lead. He can be the best among the top singer or actors in Meghalaya, guys. Yeah, actually, I saw one upcoming music video with one lady. She's called Lyngdoh. That lady is also among the famous female rappers or singers in Meghalaya. He met with this guy. I think they are cooking something new.
Cooking.
They are cooking something.
Cooking something.
Yeah, I don't know cooking.
If it's happening, let's
Yeah, it's gonna be something big. If they are dropping something, guys, if they are going to drop something, then it's gonna be bumper club. So anyway, thank you so much, guys. Yeah, just let us know briefly the singer, the actor, the Jingmen, his real name also. Tell us, guys. Love from Africa. Subscribe and share. Thank you.